Hi, I'm Julia Chezik, and today I'm going to be talking about the importance of family and how family support has an impact on today's modern society. So, who here has ever received some very important news and knew almost immediately that you were going to want to share that moment with your family? Family has shown to be important in so many different aspects of life, especially in my own. Between the support that family gives you through many different situations and the way that their support helps you adapt to today's world around each and every one of us, it is clear that family is something so important that they will be there for us at any time and at any place. From the first few moments of an individual's life, their family begins to form an unbreakable bond. It begins with the support and guidance of their parents, which that builds into their strong first relationship. Parents act as a child's first support system by nurturing them and by maintaining that support throughout their first lessons of life. They also act as their first teachers by showing how to experience today's world and the society around them. Although the importance of family has remained constant, the definition of family has definitely evolved. In today's modern society, we perceive families very openly. For instance, a set of parents could be of any gender, race, they could be married or unmarried. But however, years ago, the definition would be one man being a father and the woman being the mother and their two offspring who this mother and father had to have had together. But as the definition of modern family entails, it could be difficult living life on your own, and having a steady, healthy family relationship is more important than ever. The perceived definition of modern family is evident everywhere in the world around us, from social media posts to movies and TV shows that we see every day. There is always a constant reminder of what family means. And an example of this modern family definition could be shown in the Disney movie Lilo and Stitch. In this movie, Lilo is cared for by her older sister, Nani, and this would not be represented by the old definition of family. But in addition to this, they bring in, with open arms, an alien-like pet to join their family, also known as Stitch. So, unfortunately, there are individuals out there who don't get to imagine a life without a family because it is their reality. These people are forced to find something to hold a place in this gap in their lives, and most times they choose a friend or a significant other. However, these people tend to come and go. But following Maslow's hierarchy of needs, there are those that do have families, have that sense of love and belonging from the moment they're born. So family is one of the most important support systems in the world. Without parental and family support in the modern world, people may not be able to get through certain situations that they find themselves in. In all, it surfaces to the point that in today's modern world, the support of one's family can help carry them through some hardships in life that, again, they find themselves in. And to close, I would like to quote the movie that I previously spoke of, and that would be quoting Stitch. And their motto of the movie was, "Ohana means family, and family means nobody gets left behind or forgotten." Thank you.